Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Jb Weld High Heat is probably one of the most versatile and powerful adhesives on the market, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures and bonding a wide range of materials, making it an indispensable tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution for high-temperature applications. Number 5. Jb Weld 8297 High Heat Epoxy Putty Stick. Discover the ultimate solution for high-temperature repairs. This hand-mixable epoxy putty stick is designed to fix and rebuild materials exposed to extreme heat in automotive and industrial settings. It can withstand continuous heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and intermittent heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it perfect for exhaust manifolds, tailpipes, mufflers, and engine blocks. After mixing, it sets in just 1 hour and fully cures in 8 hours. The final color is a sleek machine gray, blending seamlessly with your repairs. Experience superior strength with 800 psi lap shear at room temperature, and an impressive 600 psi at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 3 times stronger than conventional epoxy putties at high temperatures and can be tapped and drilled. Tackle big or small projects with confidence. This heavy-duty epoxy delivers superior performance, quality, and results for the world's strongest bond. Ideal for repairing exhaust manifolds, tailpipes, mufflers, engine blocks, ductwork, machinery, and other high-temperature equipment. Get your DIY repairs done right the first time. What we like. This epoxy putty stick is designed for tough, high-temperature repairs on automotive and industrial components. It offers superior strength at elevated temperatures and can be machined after curing. If you're tackling projects like exhaust manifolds, mufflers, or engine blocks that experience significant heat, this is a robust choice for a permanent fix. What people say. This stuff is amazing, it held up to 1000 degrees. I used this to repair a cracked exhaust manifold and it worked perfectly. It's a great product for high heat applications. Number 4. Jb Weld MufflerSeal Muffler Cement. Discover the ultimate solution for your exhaust system needs. This powerful cement is engineered to provide a durable seal for mufflers and pipe joints. Its unique iron-reinforced paste formula is designed for maximum strength and longevity. It effectively seals leaks and ensures a quiet, efficient exhaust system. Don't worry about the heat. This product is built to withstand temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for high-performance applications. Choose how you want it to cure. You can let it air dry for up to 24 hours, or speed up the process with heat application. It's ready when it's hard. Ideal for repairing mufflers, pipe joints, and the entire exhaust system. Get your vehicle back in top condition with this reliable and easy-to-use product. What we like. This paste is specifically formulated to seal mufflers, pipe joints, and exhaust systems, resisting temperatures up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers flexibility in curing, either through air drying or heat application. If you're dealing with leaks or gaps in your exhaust system and need a reliable sealant that can handle significant heat, this product is ideal. What people say. When fully cured, it's stronger than concrete. I'm absolutely amazed. Excellent for slip and lap joints. Used this Jb Weld MufflerSeal to fix a small leak in my car's muffler, and it worked really well. The cement is thick and easy to apply, and it sets up quickly. Once it cured, the leak was completely sealed and it's holding up perfectly even under heat and vibration. Goes on well, dries well, works great initially, but after about a week it will start cracking. I reapplied and cracked again 2 days later. Dries hard as steel. Number 3. Jb Weld ExtremeHeat High Temperature Resistant Metallic Paste. Introducing a revolutionary metallic paste designed for high-temperature repairs. It's formulated to withstand environments up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for demanding applications. Developed as an alternative to traditional welding, this product creates a permanent bond stronger than steel once cured. It's engineered to perform effectively in extreme conditions. This advanced formula is non-flammable and contains no solvents or volatile organic compounds. You can trust its safety and reliability for your repair needs. Once fully cured, it can be easily drilled, machined, or sanded. This makes it incredibly versatile for repairing cracks, gaps, seams, or holes with precision. It's ideal for a wide range of repairs, including exhaust systems, mufflers, catalytic converters, grills, furnaces, and water heaters. Count on it for dependable performance. What we like. This metallic paste is engineered for extreme high-temperature environments, capable of withstanding up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. It creates a bond stronger than steel and is safe to use with no solvents. If you need to repair metal components in exceptionally hot conditions, such as furnaces, outdoor grills, or demanding exhaust system parts, this offers unparalleled heat resistance and durability. What people say. The repair outlasted an entire season of direct fire contact. After stirring for just under 2 minutes, I immediately applied it to the two surfaces, pieced them together, and then spread a little more on either side to ensure a supported bond. Several months and probably 100+ fires later, the piece was still holding strong like the day I put it in. Number 2. Jb Weld 31314 High Temp RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. Introducing our high-temperature RTV silicone gasket maker and sealant. It's designed for mechanical assemblies that experience high, continuous temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. For over 40 years, our products have been trusted by those who take pride in their work. We continue to provide the world's strongest bond for all your projects. It cures with air moisture, forming a tough, waterproof seal on most surfaces. You can count on it not to shrink or crack, while resisting weathering and being sensor safe. This sealant is ideal for a wide range of automotive and metal applications. Use it on oil pans, exhaust manifolds, water pumps, and even oven doors. Whether your project is big or small, you can tackle it yourself with confidence. Our heavy-duty adhesives repair and restore it right the first time, delivering legendary performance. What we like. This RTV silicone sealant is designed for mechanical assemblies that experience continuous or intermittent high temperatures. It forms a tough, waterproof seal that won't shrink or crack, and is sensor safe. If you're looking for a flexible sealant for applications like oil pans, water pumps, or oven doors that require resistance to heat and a reliable seal, this is an excellent option. What people say. I used on a water pump install on a Nissan Xterra and no leaks or issues after a year. Product is still usable and hasn't went bad in tube. The rubber seals on my car windows were coming loose. After applying this adhesive and exposing them to high temperatures in the sun, they haven't come loose again. Bought this to fix the inner and outer glass of my electric oven door. Worked great and baked a few cakes since, all good. Just has to take note that it takes about 24 hours to complete heal. Number 1. Jb Weld ExhaustWeld Repair Wrap. Discover the ultimate solution for exhaust system repairs. This innovative product offers a durable and reliable fix for your vehicle's exhaust. Crafted with a high-strength fiberglass wrap, it's impregnated with a special resin. This ensures exceptional resistance to high temperatures, making it ideal for demanding conditions. Once fully cured, it can withstand temperatures up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it perfect for use on any part of your exhaust system, ensuring long-lasting performance. Get back on the road quickly. It cures in just 20 minutes with heat, or sets in 20 minutes and cures in 2 hours without. You can even use a heat gun for faster results. This repair wrap is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for fixing manifolds, catalytic converters, mufflers, tailpipes, and much more. Trust Jb Weld for a robust and lasting repair. Keep your exhaust system in top condition with this advanced repair solution. What we like. This high-strength fiberglass wrap is impregnated with a special resin for high-temperature repairs, resisting up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit once cured. It offers fast curing, with or without heat application. If you need a quick and effective solution for repairing extensive damage on exhaust systems like manifolds, catalytic converters, or mufflers, this wrap provides a strong, heat-resistant solution. What people say. This product wraps around the pipe and will provide supports to about 6 inches of the pipe. It cures well and seems extremely strong. This kit is a lifesaver for DIY exhaust repairs. The high-temperature fiberglass wrap is easy to apply, you just dip it in water and wrap it tightly around the damaged area. Once it cures with the heat of the engine, it hardens into a rock-solid, permanent cast that can withstand temperatures up to 1100 F. It completely stopped the loud exhaust noise and prevented further leaking. It sealed the snap in my exhaust and was easy to use. You just unroll and wrap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.